Hi, it's a crafty chick. Look at all these wonderful cards that were made for my March card swap. So if you go to my Facebook page, Stamping with a Crafty Chick, and you'll find me on Facebook, and click on events, and you will see my events listed. I am doing a card swap every month. The information that you need is on the event page, and basically you just need to make a card that is A2 size using Stampin' Up materials. And in this case, we have someone who used a paper pumpkin, and it doesn't matter if it's paper pumpkin. If you got it from the clearance rack, it doesn't matter as long as it is Stampin' Up. That one was from Paulette. And this one is from Beth. And this one is from Tina. Now, all you have to do is make 5 cards. And since we only had, this is the first one I did, so we only had 3 people participating. So I filled in the void of the 2 cards with a bunch of these that I made for everybody. And I made several copies of some of them. So you will get some really nice goodies in exchange for joining my card swap, as well as getting some beautiful, beautiful cards back. And again, I would like to show off the participants' cards because those are much more important than the ones that I made. Aren't they beautiful? I just love them. So I hope you join my swap in April. We sure could use some more participants, that's for sure. Again, you can just go to my business page on Facebook titled Stamping with a Crafty Chick and click on events and find April's Stampin' Up card swap. I hope to see you there. Thanks so much for spending time with me today, and happy stamping.